Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Ayan, nakalabas na kami sa station. Dito na sa going to Pojo. Batha. We will cross.
अच्छा अच्छा
Marami na rin yung sasakay na nakasalubong natin, no? Cross the street to Batha. Where is the National Museum? Salim. Salim, where is the National Museum?
I don't know, maybe this backside.
Maybe.
Yala!
Oh, ayan, pinapatawi tayo, oh. Eh, ba't yung iba hindi nagpapaano? Ayun. Hindi pa lang sila tumitigil. Naunang tumigil yung isa.
Gusto na ako na mag-traffic enforcer dito.
Yan, gutom ka rin, ano? Gutom ka rin. Ang bilis mo, eh. Meron din talaga, oh. Mamaya, sundan-sundan ka na niyan.
O, di gusto ko man. Ngayon, magsundan niya ako. Kain tayo ulit.
Ano ko talaga to?
My net is jumping. I pull you, but my net is too much jumping.
Baligtad, eh. Dapat lalaki ang gaganon sa'yo, Jane.
Hindi na daw.
Babaeng
Kailangan daw,
Pilipina ka.
muna na tayo dito. Alam mo yung sa Pilipinas, di ba? Hindi na hinahanap yung jowa, inaagaw na.
Let them do.
Hindi, hinahanap siya. Wala? Akala mo naman, tinitingnan niya ako.
Siyempre, napapatingin sa'yo.
This one eh. Give your number, then I call you.
Dapat yung kahapon. Doon daw. Sigurado yun.
Huh? Bakit ang diba? Ha?
Yung ka matanda na.
Huh?
Yung kahapon, gwapo eh.
Malako yung mata ko eh.
Tapos bata pa. Ako.
Oh. Sarap. Hmm? Sarap, sarap.
Bake na pa.
Wait,
Bake. Customer.
maybe.
How much?
Because Albike is good.
Because bike in the Indo, good.
Good.
Bike, good. Same good.
Good.
Kita ka lang bike, good. Since mo yung asa, how are you? Bike, good.
Bike.
Pakaban mo. Bike. Kita ka tinapan.
Kabar.
Sophia's ice cream, huh?
Put na sa dispan.
Hindi mo kinain.
Kain mo?
Pero ito oh. Gamit sa akin.
Nasaan ang cover?
Masarap yung ganyan. Mainit din. Kaya dapat kainin mo. Pag lumamig na, hindi na masarap.
Dalhin mo pa yan?
Kalahati pa eh. Sayang. Lalagyan na ng takip yan. Ano lunch nyo kanina?
Wala.
Wala? Hindi nga.
Nahihingi ako sa kanila ng curry.
Curry? Curry with rice? Bread?
Patata. My neck is not good, so you cannot come up to my life. Tagal. Hey! Sanggarwa. I just only meet your brother. Okay? I just only meet with her. You're handsome than him. But he's tall than you. Then he tell me, we meet again. Tagal, kalibali. Then you know what I tell him? You will say, I tell to your brother. I tell him, you will say, if you meet me again, I tell to your brother. No, don't tell to my brother, no? Or Pagal, I never hide to your brother. Tell him. He tell me that. That's why my brother not going vacation. It's because of danger. I tell him no. Danger is not his girlfriend. I tell him na. Then I tell him also. I met also your brother in person. I met Ashpag in person. Oh really? You tell me. Oh really?
Kita mapi internet mo. Pasad kita ada sim-sim mapi isa na.
I tell him, Yala, we meet together with my friend. I will be the one to pay. We eat outside here. See that? But she don't want to tell them when we come 10 man.
Hello guys, I'm back. We're going home na. Siyempre, sa train pa rin kami sumakay. That's exciting. Siyempre si Madam. Madam. Guys, we're waiting. We are in the station of Ministry of Defense. Next is
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Next is Ministry of Defense. Ministry of Education. See you later.
Destination. Ministry of Education.
Naluwag ang train.
Hi, my son. Vlogger.